some solutions to dose and to pack biscuits and sweets. BG Easy Kiss is suitable for granular products and semi-powders for small and medium weights. Once the product is weighed, we seal the bag with our mini-sealing machine, suitable for all heat-sealable bags. Simple and fast, it prints also on the edge of the bag the expiry date, production date, and lot number. BG Easy. You select the weight, and in a very short time, it's possible to dose and fill bags, jars, boxes quickly and accurately. BG37 Electronic Automatic Packing Machine managed by PLC, Anti-crumbs system, and many other options available. Ideal for biscuits, sweets, granular, and many other products, edible functions through touchscreen. C.I.A. Italian packing machines. So many convenient solutions to dose and pack your products. Possibility of customization according to customer needs. To finish, we present our automatic packing machine step by step with manual loading that allows to form and fill 4 sealing bags, ideal for single-dose bag. For more information, visit our website www.ciasrl.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.